Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 60 Second Sunday, and in this episode we're going to be talking about light, or the lack thereof, and how I built a light strip like this with dimmable lights for around 50 bucks. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, 60 seconds on the clock, please. Let's go. Now, if you look on Amazon, you'll see, decent lighting kits and stuff like that for about 150, 160 bucks, and that's great, but I don't have that. And I don't have the room to set up lights like that in my bedroom. So I bought some light strips off Amazon, ordered these great variable frequency control drivers to dim the lights if I wanted to, and I cut that light strip up into 4 different sections, and I can control 2 different light sections with variable frequency. Now these clips are great. I ordered these for like 8 bucks. You can just plug and play with them. They're male and female. They come in a package of 8 or 10, and they work great. So for less than 50 bucks, I'll leave all the links in the description. Now if you look at a bunch of my other videos that I did, let me just shoot some of those real quick. Here, let me just roll those clips real quick so you see how nasty the light is in it. 60 Second Sunday. 60 Second Sundays. 60 Second Sundays. 60 Second Sunday. 60 Second Sunday. Episode of 60 Second Sunday. I'm your host, Dan the Great.
60 Second Sunday.
60 Second Sunday. You can see that I'm really bright. Things are white now. No color grading. No orange and yellow tints like you see in some of these other videos. 50 bucks. Get you some lights. You'll be happy you did. We'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I need to get my subscriber count up. Come on. Share. That helps. Hit the bell too.